guess what, guys? Guess what? Today is a very exciting day. We've got a lot of driving to do to get some really exciting things. So let's get on the road and get this day started.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
Made it home and we have got our purchased cargo with us. We just got out of the truck and there's one of them right now. They're so small. Even though all of my goats right now were bottle babies, it's hard to believe that they were all this small at one point. So I'll give you guys a quick introduction. We have got Valkyrie right here. She is a little doeling, blue-eyed and adorable. She's definitely the spunkiest of all of them. Hi. It's not feeding time yet, but you hungry, huh? And over there we've got Hannibal. Hannibal! He is going to be our future herd sire. He is blue-eyed, he is polled, and he is such a looker. But he wants nothing to do with me right now because he's exploring. And then here comes little Rogue. She is also blue-eyed and was disbudded yesterday. Look at that face. So adorable. They all come from great milking lines and are just oh so stinking adorable.
Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know
now since it is such a gorgeous day out, we're actually going to take them out to the barn so that we can introduce them to the girls and see how things go. They'll probably spend the day out in the barn today and then come in tonight because it's not going to be super cold, but it's still going to be a little bit chilly. And because they're only a week old, they can't really regulate their body temp too well. So we're going to keep them inside for the nights. But on nice days like this, they can definitely go out to the barn. So let's take them out there and see how things go.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one?
Alright, so that is what I've got for you guys today. The babies are settling in nicely. Rogue is taking a regular bottle instead of the goat and sheep nipples, which is fine. I'm slowly getting her transitioned to that over the next few weeks. That way they're all on the same type of bottle. I just prefer the goat and sheep nipples, even though they are a little bit more expensive. I find that regular bottles, they tend to foam up and make a huge mess, and I don't like them. I'd rather just stick to all one type of bottle for everybody. But if she doesn't get the hang of it, she at least knows how to take the other bottle. So that's fine. The other bigger goats, of course, but it heads with them. It was to be expected, but they will all get used to each other. They'll be in a separate pen at night when they do finally go out to the barn anyway, so that'll be fine as well. So that's pretty much the day we had. I'm tired. It was a very long driving day, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm getting ready to actually head into my office to clean it up a little bit so we can start making some soap And that'll be out hopefully here shortly as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open